Welcome to ISL enabled virtual lab of CSIR.
In this video, we will learn how does an aircraft lifts, which is a partial consequences of Bernoulli's principle. This is a small model of an aircraft wings made by using cardboard. Let's say the direction of the wind is in this direction. The bottom surface is flat so that the airstream passes normally, and the top surface is curved upwards so that more amount of airstream passes along the top surface. A tail is attached which provides stability. A hole is made at the center so that the wing can be suspended by an iron string. In this experiment, a stand is used to provide support for iron string and a standing fan for providing wind. Let's see what is happening to the wings after switching on the fan. Due to overpopulated airstream on top surface makes airstream to move faster on the top surface compared to the bottom surface, and hence there will be low pressure on the top surface and high pressure on the bottom surface. The pressure difference causes the wings to move upwards, which is due to Bernoulli's principle.